This is Sean. I've been working on the user interface for creation and editing of our flowcharts. Pretty much we're going to be doing it as a hierarchical, just a binary tree sort of thing. So this is what I have right now for an initial start to a flowchart. You can close that or not. You start out with the root question, and then you have two choices, A or B. All of this you can edit. So if you want to change the question, you can do whatever you want to the question. You can do the same thing to the choices and all that fun stuff. So you got those. The other thing you can do is, let's see, I already showed you can hide stuff. Also, if you want to say, okay, question one was this, and I choose choice B. Right now it just goes to a statement, which would be the end of it. It would be like your answer. If you want to break it down to another question, add choices. And more things pop out. Another choice, another two choices, two statements. Again, you can edit all that stuff. And you can close these as needed to make things clearer for you. You can also remove choices. If you do hit remove choice over here, you get the warning saying, are you sure? Because that's going to delete everything below here. And are you really sure? And then it's gone. So that's how this thing is working so far. I do not have it working with reading an actual JSON file yet. This is what I have. Index page is basically nothing. It's an empty wrapper div, and everything gets put into it by the JavaScript. Right now I just have the initial boxes are populated here without a JavaScript object or JSON object. That will change. And then I have all of the functions that go along with it, and then there's your on-click events for those. So that's that part. So aside from working with the JSON, I also want to do this. This is what it does right now. I would like it to do that. So get the little line so you can line up your choices with your questions, just like you see on every other program. I think I have to work with some SVG to make that work, which I have to figure out how to do, which I think will not be too difficult. And hopefully it will, if I close one, it will correct itself and make everything look nice. So that's what I got right now. Hoping that's enough. If you have any questions, ask somebody else, because they got better answers.
So I'm working on the question portion of our website, which will basically ask the user yes or no questions to guide them to the resource that they need. So far I've created a header at the top with a home button that links to the Wood County Continuum of Care, as well as a link to our Get Help page and a drop-down option that shows all of our different flowcharts. And the header is collapsible, so if you resize or if you're on mobile, it will show up as a collapsible menu. And then in the middle, we just have a basic template for our yes or no questions. And these are all blade templates that are displayed within our master layout, so we can include them on any page that we want.
Hi, my name's Giovanni Zappa. Working on the WCCC project this week. I've just been learning about Docker, getting that up and running, following tutorials for it. Got it on the virtual machine, got it running on in the terminal here, and just been kind of playing around with that. List of the images here. I pushed example tutorial onto the repo with our Cloud ID setup on Docker. The Cloud ID's WCC project with the password greens class 18 with an exclamation point. Tagged it, just kind of learning the ropes there, and got it going so you can pull it on a different machine if you have the information. And yeah, that's kind of all I've done so far, and just furthering the Docker knowledge, I guess, and going from there.
So this is Joey, and this is the stuff that I worked on for this demo day so far. Is I think we got everything set up for users now. So all the users on our website, they're assumed to be an admin. This is a guest view, right? Because it's a guest view, they can't register, but they can log in. So if you click login and enter your information. Oh, yep, whoops. It'll take them to the home, right? And the home is where we're going to make our GUI. So this is where all the admins can like see all the flowcharts they can edit and do all sorts of that stuff. And they can also register new users, as in if they're logged in. So they can add other admin accounts to the website. If we go back, so if I log out, right? And if I try to go to the register page, this is what pops up, because we don't want just anyone making an admin account, so this blocks them from making one. But yeah, that's what we got so far for our website.